This video is about the Tegart Styrofoam Nuc Box, unpacking, drilling holes, painting, and getting it ready for a 5-frame nucleus colony. The advantages to this Nuc Box are that it's lightweight, it's well insulated, and you can feed syrup through the entrance hole. Just put the syrup nozzle through the entrance hole and pour syrup in the bottom of the box, and that serves as the feeder. I want to be able to feed 2 liters or a half gallon at a time. And so to calculate the volume required, I start by putting in 2 liters of water. And then I will use the height of the water to determine the height of the outside entrance hole. So I'm calculating the bottom of the entrance hole, and you notice that it's off the center. In a 5-frame Nuc box, the middle frame would cover the entrance hole, or would block the entrance hole, if the entrance was in the middle of the Nuc box. So it is offset slightly so that it's between the middle frame and one of the other frames, the frame beside it, as per the instructions of the Tegart company. So when they arrive, the Nuc boxes come 48 on a pallet, 48 boxes. And I'm going to use a 1-inch ID PVC pipe as the entrance hole. So I use that to mark the dimensions of the outside hole, and then I use an 1 3/8 hole saw to drill the hole. So there's the Nuc box with 5 frames. The middle frame is of course dead center. And then here is a shot from the entrance hole looking in, and you'll see that the entrance opens between 2 frames. The entrance pipe is installed slightly flush on the outside so that water can't run inside the colony, and flush on the inside so that the bees can find their exit quite easily. And then here's a template to mark the entrance hole in the exact same location in all the Nuc boxes. The first coat of paint is just a high quality base. And the second and final coat is a high quality acrylic, exterior acrylic. And here I've chosen 6 different colors to help bees orient back to their hive. These nuc boxes are used for 3 purposes. In the early spring, we transfer the weak overwintered colonies into them. That way the weaker colonies have a better chance of survival if they're kept warm. Then April, May, we make our nucs into those boxes until they grow into a full box of bees, and then they're transferred back into a standard box. And then June, July, and August, we use them for rearing queens. And there's 48 nuc boxes assembled, holes drilled, and painted. And here I'm using a length of hardware cloth to wedge the entrance pipe into the styrofoam. And the hardware cloth is fastened to the top of the entrance pipe, which gives the entrance pipe a slight downward angle, again, to prevent water from running into the nuc box. Then a high-grade silicone is applied to both the outside and the inside of the entrance pipe, just to seal it off so that it is held in place and the water doesn't leak between the pipe and the styrofoam. Each nuc box is given a serial number for record keeping. And these boxes are being placed on a standard pallet, and they don't fit. A standard 40-inch by 48-inch pallet, the boxes don't fit, so we'll manufacture pallets just for those boxes. Here they are finished with the entrance reducers all siliconed in place.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about bees, here are a few ways Honeybee Center can help. First, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more beekeeping tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox. Interested in our education programs and products? Check out honeybeecenter.com to learn more. For beekeeping updates and a behind-the-scenes look, you have lots of options to follow us on social media. You can find us at Honeybee Center Kids on Instagram, as well as at Honeybee Center on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.